Alright, I'm in the process of removing this air conditioner. You know, it's shorted out as all of them are, and replace the light bulbs. I forgot, you know, I was replacing all these light bulbs in this car, and I forgot to do these on here. So anyways, to pull this out, it's pretty self-explanatory. You undo those bolts on the bottom there, there's two of them. And then after you do that, there's one screw on the very bottom that you gotta unscrew underneath there. And then after you do that, there's this rod cable that you gotta unhook, and it goes right in between this box here, in between that clip. Before I take it apart, you can see it kind of goes through there. It comes out the bottom and goes off to the side through the top of the metal bracket and in between the black plastic. It loops around through here. Kind of hard to see, but it goes down like that. That's the little screw that goes on the bottom of the air conditioner. Here, you can see as I'm pulling it out, you can see where the cable's coming from. It's coming from that, going down through there like that. Part down here where the vents are. Probably gonna do these screws right here. Yeah, just change the light bulbs. You gotta take all this off. Alright, this screw here goes right there. And then you got a screw there. And you got a screw here. I just got through soldering my circuit board here for my air conditioner on my 95 Honda Prelude. I don't know, looks good to me. Inspected it with a magnifying glass and a flashlight to make sure it was sealed at the bottom. I had one of them on here that had a lot of trouble trying to get it to seal at the bottom. It wouldn't, every time I like pulled off of it with the soldering iron, it felt like it was pulling the solder off of it. Oh, here's one of the ones to point out. Alright. This is going to be kind of hard. Alright. Where's my finger at? Okay. This big old tab right here and this big old tab right here, they hold this connector on. Anyways, this one right here didn't have any solder on it. It had hardly, maybe 25% solder on it. And I added solder to it. This one right here was like filled in. Right now, I just got through fixing this air conditioner. I took it apart and soldered the connector, 16-pin connector and everything. Got the lights and everything working on it. Now I'm working on the radio. So I ordered a double DIN kit. I figured this was smart. I ordered the double DIN kit before I ordered the radio.